Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to do a new lesson in ENV. And which lesson is that you know? Yes, we are going to do about air. Okay children, what happens when we put off the fan? Yes, we feel hot. And then what we do? Yes, we run and we put on the fan. As soon as you put on the fan, what you will feel? Yes, we feel little cool. Why? Because we can feel air, right? So, one thing, we cannot live without air. So, today we are going to learn about air. Okay, all of you look here on the board. Yes, can you see these beautiful pictures? But before that, we are going to learn something about air. Okay, look here. We need air to live. Children, we cannot live without air. If there are no light, no fan, can you live? No, we will feel hot. So, to live, we need air. Air is all around us. Everywhere, wherever we go, we feel air. If you are playing out, can you feel that breeze, right? That is air. When you are in the room, how can you feel air? Yes, we put on the fan and we can feel air, right? So, wherever we go, all around us, we have air. We cannot see air. Can you see air? No. Can anyone tell me what is the color of air? No. Why? Because we can feel air. We cannot see it. Okay. Now, but we can feel it. Yes, we can feel it. When we are running, we can see air touching our face. Yes, we feel. When you can do one thing, you can run and see. Okay, children. When you run, you can feel air. Yes, when you are sitting under the fan, you can feel air. But we cannot see it. Okay, now look at this picture. Okay, can you see those children? What they are doing? Yes, they are running. Okay, when we run, what we do? Yes, we feel air and we breathe air. When you breathe, okay, you can do this. Come on, all of you breathe in air. Come on, all of you, yes. Now you have to breathe out. Okay, once again we are going to. Come on, breathe in. Breathe out. Yes, we breathe in air and we breathe out air. Okay, so what we breathe, children? Yes, we breathe air, right? Now look at this picture. Yes, can you see that boy? What he is doing? Yes, he is flying kite. Okay, without air, can you fly things? No. So, to fly things, what we need, children? Yes, we need air. So, if there is no air, can we fly the kite? No. So, what you can do? Yes, on kite flying, there you see many breeze. No, there is breeze. So, because of that, you are able to fly the kite. Yes. So, air help us to fly things. If there is no air, things will not fly. So, to fly things also, we need air. Okay, now look at this picture. What are those children doing? Yes, they are blowing air inside the balloon. Okay, all of you have balloon, right? So, you can try it out. You can take the balloon and then what you have to do? You have to blow air inside the balloon. Okay, so as we blow air, what it will become? It will become big in size. When there is no air, it will be small. But as soon as you blow air in, slowly, slowly the size of the balloon will be big. Yes. Why it is big, children? Because before there was no air in the balloon. But now we have blown air in the balloon. So it has become big in size. Okay, now see there is no air in your mouth. But as soon as you fill air in your mouth, how your mouth will become? All of you try. Yes, like a balloon it has become round. Like, come on, all of you try this. Yes, because we are having air in our mouth. Same way, when you blow air in the balloon will become big in size. And when there is, as soon as you remove the air, how it will become? Again, it will become empty. It will shrink, right? So, we can feel air in things. In things, we can feel air. And as you feel air, the size of the things will become big. Okay. Now, here I will ask you few questions. Can we see air? Come on, you have to think and answer me. If I want to see, can I say air is this side or behind or in front? No, air is all around us. But can we see? No, we cannot see air. So, all of you have to repeat after me. Can we see air? No, we cannot see air. Again children, can we see air? All of you have to repeat. No, we cannot see air. Now next, why do we need air? This we have learned in the first slide. Why do we need air? We need air to live. Without air we can live? No. So why do we need air? We need air to live. Again children, you are going to repeat these two questions with me. Okay. Can we see air? Can anybody see air? No. We cannot see air. Why do we need air? We need air to live. So what we are going to do? Again we are going to revise this. Okay children. So all of you look here. You are going to repeat after me. Okay. We need air to live. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Okay, we need air to breathe. We breathe. What we breathe children? Yes, we breathe air. Now look at this picture. Air help us to fly things. If we want to fly things, what we need children? Correct, we need air. Now look at this picture. What is there? We can feel air in things. Yes, if things are there, we can feel air inside those things, right? Now again we are going to repeat this question, okay? Can we see air? No, we cannot see air. Why do we need air? We need air to live. So what you are going to do children? Yes, you are going to be a good children, and this lesson about air you are going to learn well. Be a good children and study well. Thank you.